Hello everybody, welcome to Kurdish lessons. It is Gule. So in this very short video, I'm going to teach you Kurdish colors in Kurdish. So let's start from the very basic one. The very basic one will be sor, which is red. Sor, red. For example, mala sor, the red house. Or t-shirt sor, the red t-shirt, right? And the second color will be kesk. It is green, kesk. Okay, so you can say dara kesk, the green tree. Okay, or Bajarê kesk, the green city. Kesk, green. And the third one is sheen. It's blue. Okay, you can say asmane sheen, like the blue sky. And or Behra sheen, the blue sea. Okay, and the fourth color is zer. It is yellow. You can say çantayı zer, the yellow bag. Çantayı zer, the yellow bag. You can say çantayı min zere. My bag is yellow. Okay, so we said sor, kesk, sheen, and zer. So spi will be white. Spi. For example, pore spi will be the white hair. Spi. Okay, and the black will be resh. Resh is black. You can say chave resh, the black eye. Or Odeya resh, the black room. Okay, and for brown you will say kahweyi. Okay, مثلا تلفون قهويي, like the brown phone. Okay, or masaya قهويي, the brown table. So we said sor, kesk, sheen, zer, spi, resh, قهويي. And you can say portakali to say orange. Portakali. Okay, portakali, orange. And pembe, it's for pink. Pembe. And for purple you can say mor or khamri. Okay, mor or khamri. And what else? I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching me and for learning Kurdish. If you have any questions or any wish, or if you want to learn Kurmanji, you can write us. Our Gmail is KurdishLesson2019@gmail.com. Okay, thank you so much. Have a perfect year. Bye bye.